What's good, everybody? It's your boy Sebastian Joseph-Day here, defensive lineman with the Los Angeles Rams. Come on a journey with me and try to discover some of the best food and coolest stories in LA. There's a story behind every storefront. This is Dine Bash. Yeah. Yo, what's happening? Welcome to my humble abode. Yes, Sofi Stadium holds up to 70,000 screaming, roaring fans. These are where the defense hangs out, and this is my locker. Hot tubs, boy. I go in here for 20 minutes, start off my day. Oh, this is where the after-game podium talks happen. So Sebastian, what do you think happened today? Well, I just think we whipped ass, we did what we had to do. Season 2 of Dine Bash is about to be bigger and better than ever. We got guests, we got artists, we got influencers, we got rappers, we got all that. The vibe's about to be immaculate. You know the vibes. Bash is back. Let's get it. Yeah, yeah.
We're thrilled to introduce our culinary program, LA Eats, by Los Angeles' favorite chefs, John Shook and Vinnie.
Thank you. We had an amazing experience developing all this. I ate way too many hot dogs. Now it's your turn.
We're about to meet John and Vinnie, California OGs in the food space out here, and the executive chefs of LA Eats. Yes, you're probably like, wow, what stadium have chefs? SoFi does. We're that big, we're that cool, we're that poppin'. Let's get it. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Dine Bash. We have some OGs in the LA food community. John and Vinnie, how you guys doing today?
Great,
Can't
man.
complain. How about yourself?
Happy to be here with you.
Man, I'm doing good. You guys met in Fort Lauderdale Culinary School, right?
Yep.
That's right.
It's funny, everyone says, John and Vinnie,
The
John and
Lakers
Vinnie,
eat
John
there.
and Vinnie, John and Vinnie.
Clippers eat
I'm like,
there.
yo, where is, I gotta go to this place. I don't think you understand how many people have told me, I gotta come,
Gotta
man.
get the team, dude. Get them warmed
I
up.
do, definitely gotta do that. Listen, I just wanna know, how did all this come about?
I'm still trying to figure it out as well, just so you know. But weirdly, it came about because when they were building a stadium, they built a team of people to kind of bring LA cuisine to the stadium, and then it's kind of blossomed into this.
You guys have all these amazing restaurants. How did you guys kind of come up with the menu?
If you're going to a football game, what's your expectation? You know, what do you want to have?
Yeah.
And kind of starting with that.
That's real, that's real.
If you show up at a movie theater and there's no popcorn, you're gonna be pretty
crazy,
pissed
yeah.
off, right? So we gotta make sure that we're into those expectations, but we're also like making it different enough that they know this is original to this stadium.
Yeah.
This is the only stadium that's gonna actually have real fire-based grills in it, right?
And a lot of stadiums are microwaving.
Yeah.
And this is real cooking here. And that was one of the things that we really wanted to be a part of.
Yeah.
Was to do something new and try something new in such a massive scale.
I know you guys do a lot of charity work.
That's
right.
Especially with the hunger issue here
Yeah.
in LA. I think it's amazing because I'm huge on that as well, giving
Yeah.
back to the homeless.
Yeah, I mean, during this pandemic, it's been wild. I mean, there's been more people put out on the streets here in LA than ever. You know, I think our community has to kind of help each other. Where Vinnie and I try to participate is what we're comfortable with, is with food. We all need to eat, right? And I think that's something for us where we are always trying to provide food, and whether it's directly with a place like the LA Mission, which is right down in Skid Row, or if it's with Baby to Baby, which is a charity that gives to, you know, kids.
That's real. Proud of that.
Yeah,
That's
man.
real. I really appreciate you guys taking the time.
No worries, we're gonna eat some food
and yeah,
right here.
and let's try some food, huh?
Yeah. You guys didn't get a hot dog?
So these are the tsunami tots.
Okay.
Yep.
Tsunami tots.
Yep.
A little spicy, a little sweet, great with a beer. Not on your diet, for sure.
Oh no, these are fire. Why you guys call them tsunami tots?
Because they have everything. Furikake, togarashi, there's a little bit of mayo, sriracha, eel sauce. They're fully loaded.
That's why it tastes so good. Tsunami tots, I think, are going to be huge. Too.
Huge,
These are
yeah.
so good.
Yeah.
Wow. Going on the burger.
Go in on the burger. That for me is the one.
This is it right here. God, like ketchup,
Yeah.
pickles.
Simple.
Real simple, but lovely. Patty's not too thick, just perfect.
So it's like an elongated sort of cheeseburger sub. And it's fulfilling, delicious, simple. It's exactly what you want from a burger.
For sure.
Definitely think it's probably one of the best in the country.
And this is a margarita?
This is just a Jersey marinara and then the pepperoni.
So this is no cheese.
No cheese.
No cheese.
Oh, yeah, this is a thick piece too. What?
Yeah.
It tastes like marinara sauce on top of it. It has dried oregano, garlic, crushed red chili.
We call it a Jersey marinara because at John and Vinnie's we call it the Jersey, the pizza.
And it tastes like if you were from Jersey and you made marinara sauce.
but-
My dad's from Jersey. I always used to ask him, Dad, why don't you ever take us to Jersey? And he'd be like, you know what the best part of Jersey is? Leaving.
I have this glizzy right here, though.
That's a Stromboli dog right there.
Ooh.
Look at that thing.
Tell me the story. How did this come about, the Stromboli?
This came about because one of the things that we had to figure out was that they wanted a hot dog in every stand. But when they designed the kitchen, the pizza facility actually didn't have the same cooking equipment as a lot of the other stands. So we had to create a hot dog that actually worked with inside the pizza stand.
Okay.
And that's where the Stromboli dog came up. Idea is like what you would see like in a Stromboli, but we also put the hot dog in there.
No, this is fire. This is fire for sure. And what's on top of it? It's like the garlic.
Garlic butter.
Garlic butter and some
Little
Parmesan
Parmesan cheese, yeah.
The sauce complements it so
It's
well.
like garlic bread
Okay.
meets Stromboli meets hot dog. It's Jersey. Yeah.
That's it.
We're moving back to Jersey.
Jersey in the heart. Jersey in the heart. After 3 years of working on this food very closely, we've already gone through a lot of eliminations and a lot of testing. And like, this is a large venue.
Yeah.
It eliminates a lot of what you can do, right? And that's where it's like, you got to kind of know the rules of the road before you drive. Now we're going to start introducing it to fans and crowds, and there'll be a round of tweaks after this too. That's one thing Vinnie and I, we always try to bring to our restaurants is let's not just land where we open. Let's try to always every day come in and improve, be a little bit better, a little bit more efficient, a little bit more consistent. We've been coming to the stadium now since when it was being built.
Yeah.
That's surreal. Every time you come here, it's like,
Oh, yeah,
it's a
unreal.
wild feeling.
You guys are essentially OGs, essentially, you know, stars in the LA community. So I'm definitely gonna have to come down and bring some of my teammates,
know.
man. Definitely.
We'll have to
Sure.
see. We'll have to see because we know like when the Lakers come in, they eat.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
No,
like,
we'll eat.
Clips come, they eat too.
No, we'll
we gotta
eat.
see what the Rams eat. They
No,
really eat? Because I heard your diet. I was a little bit.
Huh?
I was
Listen,
like-
I told you though, the weekends
Go
are the
in,
cheat
goes in
days.
on the weekend.
Yeah, the weekends
Goes
are
in
cheat
on the
days.
weekend. Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you.
Honor to be here with you.
No, it was an
Thank
honor
you.
having you guys here. We tried some amazing stadium food. We're ready to catch it this fall here at SoFi. And if you ever want to, go check out John and Vinnie's as well. Thank you again, guys. Really appreciate it. Whew. Well, we just checked out what's going on with John and Vinnie. What they got going on over there with LA Eats is fire. But now, we got to go check out the desserts. Come with me. Now we're here with Eris, Gretchen, and Robert.
I'm the senior executive chef of SoFi Stadium, so all the food within the building, I mean, comes from us.
I'm the VP of Culinary Innovation for Legends Hospitality.
I'm the pastry chef for the stadium, and basically my job is to ruin people's diets.
And now I'm super excited to try this. So, all right, so the question is, where should I start though, Eris?
This one is the almond panna cotta.
Okay.
So it's an almond panna cotta, mango gelée, and it has an almond streusel on top.
Okay.
So it's kind of like Asian inspired, light, bright, you know? It's not too sweet. It's dynamic. The more streusel you get, the less streusel, like it's a different like dimension every taste you get.
Now I'm going over here.
We'll go with, you wanna go with the cookie?
Cookie? Okay.
So this is our John and Vinnie cookie. We hit it with Maldon sea salt on top, and we use like the best chocolates for this one.
This is a soft cookie. I know off the rip, when the cookie's soft, it's gonna be great.
Crispy on the outside and then chewy on the inside, and that's our goal for this cookie every time.
They really wanted to go with that deli feel, and so we felt what better to go with a burger and a sandwich than a great chocolate chip cookie. So
That is awesome, man. So, what is this now?
So right now we have the chocolate pudding.
Okay.
So our base is basically a chocolate pot de creme, and then you have that nice smoky caramel sauce on top, and we drizzle it with some salt to cut into that richness too.
I know. You just can't have one bite of anything.
Yeah, one
It's
bite.
too
No, I
good.
got another bite. Oh my God. And again, just the perfect amount
Yeah.
of richness, like
Uh-huh.
not overbearing. And then,
Last we have the super fudgy brownies.
this one's last.
So the trickiest part about making this brownie
Okay.
is hitting that sweet spot of fudginess. You can make it a little bit too cakey, or you can make it like a little bit underdone.
Okay.
And this one just hits that sweet spot where it's almost like fudge, but it's a brownie.
Oh yeah.
I hate to say it, but like I would have any of these desserts with a pint of beer.
This experience at SoFi is gonna be unreal.
Watching the Rams play, having some sweets.
And the Chargers, you know, even though it's really the Rams Stadium. This is amazing. Oh my God. Listen, You guys are the real MVPs. So thank you so much for taking the time and letting
It's
us
our pleasure.
interview you. We have the man, the myth, the legend, the guy that does everything here at SoFi, president of the team, Kevin Demoff. Kevin, how you doing, man?
This is a dream come true. I'm finally a guest on Dine Bash. It's like the true foodie of the Rams organization. Like, this is meaningful to me.
Hey, man, it's a pleasure having you on here, man. How were you able to just put all this together?
Yeah, so it really starts with I want the best of everything. Best stadium, best team, best defensive tackle.
Yeah.
So we got Aaron. Sorry.
Oh, shit like
And you know, with that was not only reimagining what a stadium was like in Los Angeles, but what was the food experience like? Started looking at chefs throughout LA, and we ultimately came down, there's only one group here that could do this, with John and Vinnie's.
Yeah.
Let's take great chefs, have them choose a whole menu, curate it for a year and a half, and then have them really be the faces behind it. And we wanted you to be able to eat your way through Southern California within our building, and I think we've accomplished that. By the way, this is only this level. Wait until you get down to the club, the Saloon Maria, champagne bar.
Ooh, I ain't never gonna see somebody playing.
Tequila bar. Hey, post-game drinks.
Yeah, post-game after a W, for sure.
Post-game drinks. All right, so I'm putting you on the spot. What was the best thing you ate today?
Best thing I ate today, honestly, everything was great, man. Everything was great. But my favorite would probably be the tsunami tots and the burger. I like the burger. It was a different type of burger. Fire. Thank you so much, Kevin.
The dream come true. Dine Bash.
I really appreciate it.
Season 3, Kevin Demoff joins, right?
Yeah, no. Kevin, thank you so much. This is Dine Bash. See, we got the GOAT here, president of the Rams. Thank you again, Kevin. Really appreciate it. You're the man. And there you have it. This is Dine Bash. Have a good one.